I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Jaguar E-Pace versus the Volvo XC40. The E-Pace offers a powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering up to 296 horsepower. In contrast, the XC40 also features a 2.0-liter turbo 4-cylinder, but it produces up to 247 horsepower. When it comes to acceleration, the E-Pace reaches 60 miles per hour in 6.9 seconds, while the XC40 is slightly quicker, hitting 60 in 6.1 seconds. Both provide a dynamic driving experience. Moving inside, the E-Pace boasts an 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, offering seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The XC40 counters with a 9-inch Google-based infotainment system and a crisp 12-inch digital instrument panel. Both vehicles provide a premium cabin feel with quality materials. However, the XC40 stands out with its clever and practical interior storage solutions, making everyday use more convenient for drivers and passengers alike. For practicality, the E-Pace provides approximately 22.5 cubic feet of cargo space behind its second row. The XC40 offers 20.1 cubic feet, expanding to 57.5 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. In terms of fuel efficiency, the XC40 achieves 26 miles per gallon combined, while the E-Pace typically ranges from 21 to 26 miles per gallon combined. Starting prices for the XC40 are around $41,195. Regarding safety, the Volvo XC40 excels, earning a 5-star overall rating from NHTSA and an EAS Top Safety Pick Plus award. The Jaguar E-Pace also boasts a 5-star Euro NCAP rating and comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems. Both are strong contenders, offering luxury and performance. Your choice depends on prioritizing sportiness versus practical innovation. For an added convenience, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.